This counter-depth refrigerator by KitchenAid has a fresh food capacity of 14.38 and a freezer capacity of 5.62 for a total capacity of 20 cubic feet. The color shown is stainless, with the signature KitchenAid logo and 3 satin textured handles with chrome caps that feature red medallions on the ends. Inside are front-mounted controls, bright LED lighting, a water filter, a bottle rack, an internal water dispenser, and 5 glass shelves. The 4 half shelves are spill-proof with metal trim and are fully adjustable. The bottom shelf is stationary. Below the shelves are 2 satin glide humidity-controlled crispers and 1 full-width deli drawer. On the doors is a dairy compartment and 5 bins with rubber mats. 3 are fully adjustable, 2 are deep enough to hold a gallon of milk, and all bins are removable for cleaning. In the freezer is 1 full-size storage bin with a divider bar, a storage rack, a storage basket with a lip saver, the ice maker, and ice storage. To learn more about refrigerators, check out our buying guide at abt.com or visit our showroom at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.